Oh god, I hate you.
Yeah, what's going on?
You lift this up. There's tiny bits so it's gonna... Yeah. It's coming though. And... I just want to run. But I feel like it's a really bad idea. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh look, hit spawn.
No, not there.
Oh, I insta-dive.
I literally put my hand up, got shot. Still walking to spawn. Shot? Yeah.
You got a couple of snipers, 2 of them. About 11.
Yeah, I need to get to that bit.
30 to 11 that way.
Yeah.
So when you move up one tree line over,
I've just been hit. Just been hit the leg.
yeah. Oh yeah, you fucker. But no, it's not.
Right. There, probably there as well.
I was watching them firing through the trees.
I see heads on the right there. Go on then, what you got I broke my leg.
Well, going to that tree line is impossible.
I found that too.
Yeah. I'd say literally. Yep.
They're all where the road goes up to the barricade.
Yeah.
They're all in the bushes on the left there. Ooh. If we push around the back here up the road, get them from behind maybe.
Go for it.
Think about it.
If I had
I believe in you. Yep.
Wasn't too late for you.
Oh. Yep.
How long's left for this game?
Huh?
How long's left for this game?
25 minutes. Well, 26.
There we go there.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm going to push around the road and up.
Push on the left.
Yeah, go on, Charlie. Yep.
We got 2 people in the bush on the left. It's such an easy push.
Not the enemy. Right.
Yeah. Right, blues on the left! I want nobody behind this tree line! We hold the front left and we hold the building on the right! Move up and the respawn will come with! On the right, move!
It's as simple as it is, but people don't do it.
On the left, you need to move, you're holding up the respawn now!
Yep.
That's all it fucking needs sometimes. And then we get AEG players standing back when
Blues
snipers.
dug in deep, next tree line please!
Yeah,
Bringing the respawn up!
Yeah, you get some rental with our rental guns that go about 4 feet.
My AG ain't gonna go that far. It's fucking tiny thing.
Yep. Right.
There's the line.
25 minutes! 2-5.
Move! Move! He said right my way then. You see him? Yeah.
find a reform.
Oh, okay.
We've got a stalker.
Still in the box.
If you want to snipe one guy, there is one before. So if you go more to your left, there is like one of these barriers. There are two guys.
He's moving the barricade, yellow.
Yeah.
Red, pushing red!
Why?
So am I.
I didn't realise we had so many.
Oh bloody hell! Wow, my head.
I know, I kept telling you!
Get the guy in the barricades.
Yeah.
There's one straight there.
There's three on the left top.
Really?
Yeah, I know, he just...
Auto involved.
That's what I did.
Coming through.
Alright, let's zoom up on this guy.
Where are they?
Barricade.
I'm going to shoot with my flag. You're here, my children. Go.
Thank you.
Good fight.
Let's take the zoom out.
I'll let you go for now.
I see what you're talking about.
How many on the right? You can barely hear it.
Oh, you're going to probably do better than my one here.
That's so more.
We're halfway up this field in the bushes on the right.
You just have to go on this fucking action centre, don't you, Lyle?
On your back. On your back.
We're halfway up.
So we've only got like 20 minutes left.
Oh, man. Right.
You are healed, my children. Thank you.
Have you got a hammock? I know where they are. I know where they are. You can't go around there. Let's go this way.
You see him in the bush? Go.
You can see behind the barrier.
I'm behind the bush. Like on my claws. I can't go up. There's no one over there. There's one head on the orange box right here. There's three. Go, my children, go. Go, go, fight. Go. Where the fuck are they? They're over that way. No. They're somewhere over there behind that tree.
Moving across.
Three heads, four heads.
Yeah, that's him.
Wednesday. Do you need my shoulder?
Let me lean against the tree.
Wait, you won't be able to cross right because it's safe.
Yeah, but in the hut, There's two in the hut. If you look, come here. The hut there. Over there.
Here.
Yeah.
Yeah, good shot.
I don't know what I got.
Really?
Halfway up. Right hand side, halfway up. Halfway up.
We want to run right here.
Run up this, run up to the front. Great. Yeah, on the right. Ready?
Go!